Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. It's 2015 Harley-Davidson CVO Electric Glide Ultra Limited with 9,712 miles, passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, heated grips, heated seats, a multifunction 2-speaker audio system, and has been upgraded with a Reinhardt True Dual exhaust, 4-inch mufflers, Olin Spear shocks, and a center stand. The Electric Glide is the benchmark of the touring class, and the CVO variant takes things in a factory custom direction, with a limited production paint set and artistic details, separating it from the standard Electric Glide models. Powered by a 110 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Electric Glide puts 118 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 908 pounds and has a 27.3 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.